I'm Brian Powell with Sullivan Company in Holyoke, Massachusetts. We're a scrap metal recycler. We process about 70,000 tons of material a year. 25% is non-ferrous material. We try to make as much money as we possibly can on every pound, and we use different technologies in order to do that so that we can upgrade the material and also process the material as efficiently as we possibly can. We always asked ourselves, there has to be a machine that can do aluminum just as well as XRF can do other alloys. We came upon the LIBS technology. We had a unit in for demo. We were very pleased with what it could do in the demo. We decided to go with a Rigaku analyzer. We've been very, very happy with the LIBS technology and how it handles aluminum alloys, the separation of 6061 alloy, 5052 alloy, which can be difficult sometimes to process very quickly. We find that it's very, very fast to sort specific alloys out so that we weren't making a mixed package, so that we could upgrade the material and increase our profitability on every pound that we process. So we primarily use our Rigaku for analyzing aluminum, but it is nice to know that if for whatever reason the XRF isn't available or it's out for service, that we can take this machine and we can use it for other alloys, and it will do a consistent job just like it does with the aluminum alloys. I have a piece of aluminum here. I'm going to check the alloy. I have the machine on alloy match. Came up as a 6063 alloy, which I already knew, but it was very, very quick. It was very simple. Just says aluminum 6063 on the screen. They can move, get the material processed and out the door as fast as they can. So one of the other things that I like about this machine is that it has buttons. Some of the other machines on the marketplace, they don't have buttons, they just have a touch screen. The problem I have with that is how many times is your worker going to take off their gloves to touch the screen? This machine has buttons. They're assignable. You could assign these side buttons on either side of the trigger to do various things. One of the things that we have it programmed here for is we go right from the alloy match into an in-depth alloy analysis with the elements very, very quickly, and then back again. One of the other things that I like too is on our XRF analyzer, we have to take the battery out of the bottom and put it into a separate charger. With this machine, it comes with a cradle. You take the whole machine, you put it right into the cradle, and it charges the machine without removing the battery. It's just right there, ready to go whenever you need it. So anybody who has a scrapyard knows how rough it can be, how the guys treat the equipment. I know whenever I give them a metal analyzer like this, the first thing I say to them is, don't drop it. But the nice thing about this, it's been drop tested. We haven't had any durability issues with our machine. It works every day, and our guys, they're pretty rough. You know, sometimes they leave it on boxes, sometimes they leave it on bales. If it falls off a bale, which has happened to us, it doesn't break. You know, I think a rugged machine is the way to go in a scrapyard. I think this one does the job quite well, and it's performed for us very, very well over the years.